Welcome to a quick, friendly guide on how to view your story archive on Facebook, updated for the latest app layout. If you've ever wondered where your past stories live or wanted to republish or save memories, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together so you can access your archives in just a few taps. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. From the moment you launch, you're ready to start navigating. Look toward the top of the screen and find your profile picture or name. A simple tap on either takes you straight to your personal profile page. Once you're on your profile, you'll notice a row of options along the top. Tap the three dots. This opens a compact menu with quick actions related to your profile. From here, you'll see several choices, and one of them is the archive you're after. In the next screen, tap on Archive. This is where Facebook hides a treasure trove of your past content, organized and ready for you to explore. You'll notice two tabs at the top, one for your posts and another for your stories. Since you want to view your story archive, make sure you select Story Archive at the top. Now, you're looking at your collection of stories from days, weeks, or even years past. The archive keeps a chronological record, so you can scroll through them at your own pace. If you spot a story you'd like to revisit, you can open it, save it back to your current story, or choose multiple options depending on what you want to do next. If you need to share a memory again, you can repost a story from the archive to your current story, or you can save it to your device for personal keepsakes. Remember that your archive is private to you, so you control who sees anything you choose to reshare. That's all there is to it. Open Facebook, tap your profile picture or name, tap the three dots, select Archive, and then choose Story Archive at the top. A couple of taps and you're looking at your entire story history, ready for a stroll down memory lane or a quick revival of past moments.